So today, Mr. Stanley installed a phantom screen on the door from the apartment to the shop here at Sweet Haven. So this is looking out at the shop, and there's my craftsman, Mr. Stanley. And this is phantom screen. Isn't that cool? It just sort of disappears into that case. These are really nice. Stan has installed 4 or 5 of these. He's installed, we have 3 of them at Casa Yamani, and he also installed one at our friend's house, and they just love it. These are really nice. You can buy these at Home Depot, and the installation, with some skill required, takes about 3 hours.